Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
And his name is John C. Still, I knock your shell off. I'm money stack that, plus I can't turn the swell off. The franchise doing big business. I'm in this, it's automatic. I win this, so you hear those